How to make a background image transparent on Google Slides. What is up everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you guys how to easily make a background image transparent on Google Slides. But before getting started, don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. So here I'm just going to create a blank presentation on Google Slides. You can go ahead and open up your browser and search for docs.google.com and /presentation. It will open up Google Slides. Now once you have done that, you can choose from these templates here, but I'm not going to do anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and insert an image. So here I'm going to add a slide below. And then here I'm just going to insert an image. So you can upload image from your computer, or you can search for a web as well. You can upload it from your Drive, Google Photos, or you can take a picture as well. So I'm just going to search on web. Here I've searched up for some flowers to set as my background image. So I'm just going to take this one right here and drop it here. Alright, so once your image is placed on your slides, just make sure that it fits and it is set as a background image. Now you'll also need some text. For example, if I add a text like flower here, and then if I set this image like this and stretch it across so that it fits perfectly on the slide, and once you've done that, you can just simply go ahead and right click on it. And if you want to change the image, you can reset the image from here or replace it from here. Now, if you want to head over to the Arrange tab at the top, and then from here you want to change the order. So you want to send the image to the back. So send it backwards, and you'll see the text here. Now you want to click on the format option for the image, and then from here you just want to find the drop shadow, and you'll see the opacity of this image, so you can adjust it to make it transparent. Now you're going to click on adjustments, and you'll see the opacity here as well, so you can change it a bit to make it a bit more transparent, like this. And once you're done with it, you can adjust the brightness and the contrast of the image as well. And once that is done, now the background image has been set for your slide. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.